Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a beautiful laptop. Check here. Proper slim Samsung i5. Huh? It is a nice laptop. I think it is. Let's see the customer email. So the customer is saying doesn't power up. Before it did power up, but screen had no backlight. Yeah, so that's what we know about this laptop. Now let's plug a charger. We have a USB-C port here and another USB-C here. Let's plug a charger and see what it's doing. So we have the charger and the meter it is coming on. No, actually, yeah, it is coming on. 14 volts, 300 milliamps. Pressing the power button and the meter is restarting. Pressing the power button, yeah, and the meter is restarting. Let's check the other port. And this port, the meter it is coming on. Same thing, 14 volts, 300 milliamps, pressing the power button and the meter it is restarting. So something is wrong with this laptop inside, yeah? So the ports probably are good. But how this is supposed to be open? Probably has screws here. Yeah, we do have screws here. The battery, I think that's the battery, right? It's unplugged. This cable is not plugged. Probably the cable got unplugged now because the USB-C port is here. Yeah. No, this is a nice laptop, huh? Has a big Samsung battery. I swear, this looks like a... You remember the Samsung tablet, the big one? The Tab A or whatever. It's exactly the same battery. Okay, let me try to open this because probably someone opened this laptop before. The battery, it is unplugged. Let me take out the heatsink. And the heatsink, it's out. Wait, this is the CPU actually. Huh? I mean, this one is not running Windows. What kind of CPU is that? Oh, yeah, that's the CPU. Lol. Okay, let's plug the battery. Actually, you know what? Let's check the main power rail. The main power... we are checking the main power rail. I mean, this is crazy. It's a different design. I'm assuming on the plus of this capacitor is the main power rail, right? And it's good, it's not shorted. Or here? Yeah, no short. Or here? No short. So the main power rail is not shorted, I think. Yeah. Let's plug the battery. And let's plug the charger because I want to see what is happening. To plug in the charger, the meter it is coming on. It's charging. I see 1.4 amps there. And the meter is restarting. 1.3 amps, check there, 1.3, 2 amps, 2.1 amps. So the laptop is charging fine. Yeah, that's the coil, that's the charging coil. The CPU is getting warm. Why? The laptop is on actually. No, because I can't see anything on the screen. So this is the CPU and this is the hard drive, the SSD. Probably, where is the RAM memory? Or doesn't need RAM memory? That's how the laptops are those days? Lol, extremely hot. Let's check the voltage and see what we have here. So we have, on this coil, we have 0.2. Never seen a laptop with 0.2 volts on a coil. Here we have 3.3. Here we have 5 volts. On this one we have 8.6. So probably charging the battery, right? Yeah, the battery, yeah. Or probably this is creating the main power rail and the battery is connected to the main power rail. This one has 5 volts. This one has 5 volts. I mean, so many 5 volts coils. And that's the screen, right? Yeah. And on the screen we have nothing, 0 volts. So those big capacitors, a lot of capacitors here, what is here? Nothing. Probably this is the BIOS chip here. And we have 1.8, which is fine. Huh? This is an interesting board. Let's check this board closer. It's not coming on, right? I mean, we didn't press the... We do have the charging light here. It's a red light. Let's press the power button. Pressing the power button. And the meter is restarting when I'm pressing the power button. No, we have blue light here. You can't see. Yeah. We have picture. Check there. We have picture but no backlight. Check there. We have picture but no backlight. Here. Saying Samsung Galaxy Books. Book S. Lol. So actually this laptop is working. It's no backlight. The customer was wrong. He said it stopped working and no, he said it didn't have backlight and then the laptop stopped working. But looks like it's working fine. Let's check the screen connector. Let's see what we have here. So on the screen connector, we have, what do we have here? Here we have 0 volts. I don't think that's normal. 0 volts. And here looks like something like a serious truck here. And we have nothing. Here we have nothing. Here nothing. No, we have no voltage on this connector. Why we have no voltage here? Why we have... Wait, those are microphones, right? Yeah, looks like a crystal, but yeah, they are microphones. One second, this is liquid damage. Looks like some liquid damage, right? Yeah, but that's not our problem, right? It's not our problem because the board is working actually. Yeah, definitely here was liquid damage. Yeah, check the pins. You see that white thingy? Yeah, must be liquid damage. But someone work here. Check this coil. Check this coil. Someone work inside of this laptop. But I never seen this board before. Okay, let's try to get a picture again. Or let's try to check the voltage with the lid open. So here we have 10 volts. So I'm assuming the inverter has voltage. Check there, 8.1 volts. You can see. So the inverter has voltage. Yeah, you're right. If it's no picture, then if it's no backlight, then the screen must be faulty. Hey, wait, the screen is like normal screen or it's a OLED screen? Yeah, we have. I can see that. Yeah, I can see the. Yeah. Yeah, we do have picture. You can see down here. You have like the taskbar. Yeah. So the screen has voltage. Yeah, 8.1 volts. 8.1 is the main power L. So how we can fix this? So clearly this laptop was damaged by liquid damage. But I can't take this screen out, I'm sorry. I can't take this screen out. I'm assuming the screen has been replaced. Let's check the connector, yeah? Let me take out the battery and let's check the screen connector. And the screen connector is fine. No, this is a faulty screen. It's a faulty screen because the main power LED is present on the screen connector. Okay, let me ask the customer what's going on with this laptop and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so we are a few hours later. I asked the customer, yeah, if he will take the risk on opening the screen. I cannot take the risk on opening this kind of screen. When you try to fix a screen, yeah, you cannot do it on your risk. Yeah, that's clear. So you have to speak with the customer, explain him the screen has a very high chance to get cracked. If it's getting cracked, I'm not gonna pay for it, and you still have to pay for the work. So, how much do you think is this screen? Your opinion. How much do you think is this screen? Let me show you. So this screen is £600. That's insane. I can buy a car with this money. Crazy, £600 for a screen. I mean, you will risk to open this screen, huh? Yeah, it's insanely expensive. Now I have the customer agreement, so he said if you got the chance, go ahead. It's not a problem if cracks. Anyway, it's faulty. Thanks. Now anyway, it's faulty. You know, it's kind of wide, so you still have picture, yeah. We didn't. We cannot say 100%. Your screen is faulty. I can't say that. Doesn't have backlight, yeah. The backlight voltage is present. It is present. What about if the backlight voltage is not reaching the screen? What about if the EC chip signals are not reaching the screens? You know, like the LED on and the dim. And in that case, the screen is good. So you see, it's tricky. It's tricky because if I open the screen, yeah, I crack the screen. Okay, send it back to the customer. Customer replace the screen, still doesn't have backlight. It will say, sorry, I'm really sorry, your diagnostic was wrong. So you have to pay for the screen because you cracked my screen. And my screen was good. So yeah, I admit it, it's tricky. Now I will open I will open the laptop again because I didn't think actually the customer, it will be, you know, it will agree to risk the screen because I explained most likely it will get cracked. Yeah, I mean, we can do our best, but more than that, not really. I mean, even if it's cracked, we can see why the screen didn't have backlight. Yeah, we can figure it out. Okay, so this is out, and we have left the screen here. I mean, for me, looks like someone already replaced the screen. You can see. Check the screen, how the screen is on the edges. The customer doesn't know about if the screen was replaced or not. He said he just bought the laptop as, you know, faulty. Okay, I will stick the screen in front of the heater. Let's bring this to around 50 degrees, maybe 60, and then we're gonna try to strip it down. Yeah, just give me a little bit of time. Okay, so the screen is proper hot. It was on the front of the heater. I have like a room heater here. Wow, proper hot. So how we can do it? Yeah, not with a sharp tool. Yeah, definitely the screen has been replaced. So the glass is so thin, I can see how the glass is bending. It's like plastic. We have to use the hot air about 140 degrees, 140 degrees, and 100% air. Insane. So I took out the screen in one piece. I can't believe actually I took out the screen, a 600-pound screen, but yeah. So we have here the backlight LED cable. So let's open the screen and try to analyze what's going on there. Or we should analyze this cable first. The connector is absolutely clean. No liquid damage, nothing. But here, check here. Let's go under the microscope and check together. You know what? I thought here is like, but it's not, it's fine. There's nothing wrong here. And it's nothing wrong here on the connector. Proper clean, you can see it. And the screen connector is fine. So what's going on? Why the screen doesn't have backlight? Let's go to the inverter, which I'm assuming is somewhere here. Lol, I don't have access on anything on this screen. Check here. So it's on the metal shield. So here is the touchscreen cable. Check here. And here it must be the picture, yeah, which is same under a shield. Here I have a fuse, but I'm assuming this fuse is for the 3.3. Let's check to be sure. Yeah, so the fuse is good, but that's from the picture. Here is the touch screen, the connector, and I believe here is the inverter. But on the screen here we have a fuse. You can see it. This one. So this fuse is good. Ha ha. So the fuse is good. Nothing wrong with the fuse. Lol. Okay, that kind of sucks. I mean, we have access. We don't have access to anything here. We open the screen for nothing. So I'm assuming here is the inverter, here is the video. So we need access here. Not sure what is behind of this board, but I'm assuming nothing, just because it's stuck on the plastic frame or on the glass. So how we can take the metal shield out? And my focus is going crazy because of the silver part, yeah. We can take this shield out, we can do it. But first, yeah, let's check if we have voltage on the screen connector, yeah? So let's say, okay, the inverter is not working. We should have the main power rail voltage even here, yeah? If it's boosting, okay, we have like 25, 30, 35. If it's not boosting, we should have the main power rail on the connector. So let me bring the laptop. So with the multimeter, what do we have here on this fuse? On the fuse we have 8 volts, lol. We have 8 volts on the fuse, check on the screen. That sucks. That sucks. That means the backlight voltage is going through the inverter, yeah? But the inverter is not boosting the voltage. And the reason why it's not boosting the voltage, I'm assuming one of the signal is missing, or both signal is missing, the LED on and dim. Okay, so the laptop is on. No, the lead sensor is good. So I can see the picture on the screen. Yeah. No, the lead sensor is good. So it's not the lead sensor. Not sure on which way I shall go, because the board is water damage. Yeah, so we are missing 2 signals, which they are coming from the ECG. But how can I know which are the signals? You know what I mean? I can't know. So our best first choice is to take the inverter shield and try to figure it out, the signals from there. That's the best choice. So I'll grab a small nozzle. Let's try to go 360 degrees. About 60% air. No, you know what? Let's do it under microscope. No, I can't do it like that. I need a bigger nozzle. Let's try now. Good. We are fine. And it's not the inverter here, lol. The inverter is not here, that's crazy. So where is the inverter? It's on the other side of the board? What is this? It's some kind of sensor, right? Yeah. And I can't take the board out to reach the inverter. No, it's no inverter on the other side. No. So where is the inverter then? Do you think? But probably not. Do you think actually the inverter? What is this? Lol. Okay. Okay. Someone opened the screen and broke the cable. Someone opened the screen and broke the cable, then put the screen back like that. But how? Because this thingy was over, right? Yeah. That sucks. And you know, usually I'm able to fix things, but I can't fix this cable. Can't do it because it's on the back of the screen. There is no way I can take the screen out and put the screen back. Right? Or even if I take the metal frame out, yeah? How I can solder back those wires? Easy, right? Easy job. Oh, it's coming out with the screen. So what options we have? What you will do in this case, huh? Pay 600 pounds for another screen, right? Okay, let's try a trick here. 1 second. Say hello to my little friend, right? Yeah. And it's not working, my little friend. Cable? Okay, now it's working. No, it's not working. No, the cable, it is plugged in. I don't know. Let's try to do it anyway. Come on. Come on, I can't believe. It's not working. So when you need a tool and the tool is getting broken. No, it's, you think it's the cable? No, it's not the cable. It's working. Okay, this is one tool which I'm looking to replace. I will be honest with you because it's not working how it's supposed to work. I bought it from Bootsell. I pay like £5. So this is the main unit, and I have it from like few years, but I think it's time for another one. Just because when you need more, the tool, it's okay. Lol. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's the problem. We found a problem. We are not buying another Dremel for the next 10 years. Yeah. Let me switch it off. How this wire go this solder? Bus solder from factory, right? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So we solder the wire and we are ready to fix stuff for the next 10 years. You know, car boot sale, it's a fantastic place to buy like tools and different kind of stuff like electronic. Yeah. I know probably now on those days a tool like this is cheap. But when I bought it like probably 5, 6 years ago, it was not cheap. When you're coming from like a poor country, you can't just throw this in the bin. It's just, it's painful. It's painful. When you know you can fix it, that's the thing. If I know I cannot fix it, cannot be fixed, let's say like that, yeah, then probably I will have no feeling. But when I know I can fix it, I can't just, throw it in the bin. Okay, let's try again. Now I don't want to cut the cable behind of this metal. You know what is funny? We are fixing the cable, but actually we don't have their like proper voltage. Anyway, we have like 8 volts. But I'm assuming probably has a cable detector. That's what I think. Probably is detecting the cable, and that's the reason why we have no voltage. Okay, that's good. That's good. So we have we have too many wires. That's the problem. So those two are together, the first two. So first two wires. Yeah, but it's going up only one wire. Yeah, okay. Okay. So first two pins are together. The third pin is not connected. Then every pin is connected. Yeah, like that. Now how we can fix this? Just tell me. How we can do it? With a Dremel? Yeah, you're right. This will be an expensive repair because we have to use a lot of calibrated wires here. Proper calibrated wires, yeah. Yeah. I'm working for nothing. That's crazy. Actually, the cable is broken here. But only those two wires, right? Only those two wires. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so this one is kind of good. Let's see here. Huh? So what do you think? Looking good? Perfect. And here. Perfect. Let's clean here. Good. Good, 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 good. Now let's put this back. Perfect. And now we're gonna try to fix this damage. Yeah, like that. I want it like that. Solder iron. Little bit of rosin. Not too much because we cannot clean. If we are cleaning, the alcohol is going inside of the screen, so we cannot do it. We cannot clean. Good. Perfect. Good. Good. I think we are fine. Yeah. Yeah. We are fine. We are fine. Let me get a proper calibrated wire. Wire has to be proper calibrated. You can't use just, random wire. Doesn't work like that. Of course, I'm just joking. I see some people, they are taking this in serious. I can use like a small wire, but I want some, I want to be rigid, you know what I mean? Because the screen, it's a lot of vibration here. But again, we are fixing the screen. And on the inverter voltage, we have 8 volts. I just don't understand how depressing is fixing this. What I'm counting, I'm counting actually the screen, the backlight is not detected, and that's the reason why the inverter is not starting. That's what I'm counting on. Okay, so I'm gonna spin the screen around so I can cut the wire on the top. And the last one, which is not properly soldered here. Yeah, for a test is fine. Let's test. Let's check. Let's see what we did. It's working or not? That's the question, huh? Place your bet, please. Good. So we have to connect the screen. So basically, plug in the charger. Let's see if it's working like that. We have backlight. That's crazy. We fixed it. I can't believe actually it's working. That's sick. 600-pound screen. Wow. State unknown. Okay, I know. Because the battery is not plugged. Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry. That's crazy. We fixed it. Check that. Check that. 81%. Let's press the power button. Pressing the power button. And it's loading the Windows. It's a new Windows. It's working fine. Perfect. Solid. I mean, can we bend that? And yeah. Pressing the power. Yeah. But wait, we have touchscreen, right? Yeah. Touchscreen is working fine. Brand new Windows here. Perfect. Okay, let's finish what we start. Okay. So here everything is fine. How we can, seal the deal? So what do you think it will work best on a case like this? What you will choose? No, it is solid. No, everyone is solid. Just a little bit of hot air. Perfect. So what do you think we should use here? Yeah, just tell me your opinion. I want to hear the word. You know the word I'm looking for, right? What is the name of the product we have to use here? Lol, I ran out. No more hot glue here. Oh, how is possible? How you can run out of hot glue? No, I found one. I found it. Good. So hot glue. Perfect. I need a little bit of paper. And I don't have a little bit of paper, lol. Tissue. Tissue is fine. Perfect. So now it's flat. Yeah? Now it's flat. I mean, like level with the screen. Perfect. Yeah, the paper is not an issue. Yeah, so that's not a problem. But I was looking to get this flat. So I think we are ready to put the screen back, right? We don't need yeah, we don't need. We need? Maybe. Yeah, we have metal. We have metal on the back. So I'm gonna use Kapton tape. Perfect job. So how we can stick the screen back? Probably with the same which was the screen was stuck back before. We have B7000. I mean, I found this quite helpful for those kind of jobs. On the edge of the frame. Yeah, perfect. So the frame has the sticky thingy. Let's put the screen back. Good. Perfect. Everything is back in place. What do you think about that? Huh? Yeah, of course, again, we have to heat up the screen again, then use some clamps. But I can do that after, yeah? Let's put the screen back onto the laptop. All good. Solid job, right? Yeah. Yeah, you can see solid. Okay. I think I will stop the video now because I have to put the clamps on the screen. But obviously everything is working fine. I mean, I have no shadows on the screen. Nothing is perfect. So if you have this kind of job like broken connectors or broken ribbon cable, that's how you fix it. So I will say thank you for watching. You had a lot of patience. This is a long video. So this is 1 hour and 26 minutes video. Look, I can show. Probably I will edit. I will heavy edit this video. But this was an insane job. So yeah, you can see here on the OBS here, like 1 hour and 26 minutes. Insane job, and I don't remember to fix a screen laptop that expensive. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.